It's Friday, October 1st, 2021, and you're watching the Paper Call Report, brought to you by OfferVault, the largest affiliate offer directory in the universe. First, we have our top categories. As it continues dominating the top categories list, the billion-dollar category home services reached another all-time high this week. Insurance, with some campaign payouts reaching the thousands, maintained second. Legal stayed in third as a growing vertical. Financial services overtook personal insurance for fourth place. Top offers. The top offers spot was held by addiction marketing specialists again this week with their 24/7 nationwide rehab campaign. Live Calls Network claimed the second spot with its auto accident campaign. We Call and its Medicare campaign took third. Aragon Advertising climbed to fourth with its IRS tax debt relief campaign. And Fargo Solutions took fifth with its Flight Calls campaign. For direct links to the OfferVault campaigns, verticals, and more, be sure to check out the Ringba blog. That's where you'll find all the details. A link will be available in the comments below. Now it's time for our top networks. LeadSmart's focus on home services for its campaigns is paying off, keeping them in first. Hyper-target marketing stayed in second. Market Call climbed to third with its 77 offers. Aragon Advertising decreased the amount of offers available to 621 offers and held strong in fourth. eLocal took fifth. This week, all 5 of the top 5 Paper Call networks are Ringba customers. We'd like to thank our friends over at OfferVault for providing us with up-to-the-minute market data, as well as helping us analyze the latest changes in the paper call industry. Now it's time for our Paper Call trends. For more market insights, we turn to our industry expert, Ron Hart, founder and CEO of Mobile Pushers. Ron, what types of creative work best for Facebook ads?
Well, that works best for me is pretty much amateur photos, photos that I've taken with my phone, of the actual product in my hand. And I've seen more engagement with those. Um, just amateur photos, because stock photos seem to not resonate with Facebook. It seems too salesy, I just take photos of the actual product or the service.
Thanks, Ron. News and announcements. As we enjoy trade show season, we want to see you at the next event. Next week, we're going to Vegas, baby. Find the Ringba team at booth 1013 at Insure Tech Connect, October 4th through the 6th. Let's talk calls and hang out. We'll also be back in Vegas for LeadsCon, October 21st through the 22nd at booth 406. Now it's time for our paper call opportunities. Broker Calls is a performance-based agency working in multiple verticals like insurance, finance, and home services, just to name a few. They're looking for publishers generating true inbound calls in under 65 health insurance, over 65 Medicare, auto insurance, insured and uninsured, debt settlement, credit repair, and flights. If you're interested, please reach out to your Ringba representative or send an email to sales@ringba.com for more details. Paper Call careers. Market Call is looking to hire a business development representative. Market Call provides marketing and lead generation services for companies across several industries. Experience in digital marketing, lead generation, and affiliate marketing is a big plus. The position will have a hybrid work model available, so 50% in the office, 50% remote, in Pasadena, California. If you're interested, email alex@marketcall.com. Broker Calls LLC is looking to expand their sales team with a business development manager. 3 to 5 years of industry experience is preferred. The ideal candidate has a strong drive to take initiative and succeed, as well as have a knowledge of Salesforce. If you're interested, please contact their hiring manager at Catherine.salz@brokercalls.com. The Ringba team is also expanding, and we're looking to fill the following positions: Vue user experience developers, senior .NET engineers, and business development managers. Email us at sales@ringba.com with your resume to learn more. Thank you for watching this week's episode of the Paper Call Report. Be sure to tune in every Friday afternoon to stay on top of changes in the industry. If you're a Ringba customer and you'd like to be featured on the show, please contact your representative for more information. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per-call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per-call, visit www.ringba.com.